In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a microphone that isn't working in Google Meet. It's a common issue that many of us face, and it can be quite frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an important call or meeting. But don't worry, by the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools you need to ensure your microphone works perfectly. First things first, let's check the basics. Ensure that your microphone is properly plugged in. It sounds simple, but sometimes the loosest connection can cause the biggest issues. Additionally, if your microphone has a physical mute button, double check that it's not accidentally engaged. These tiny details can often be overlooked but are crucial for getting your microphone up and running. Next, we need to make sure your system settings aren't causing any roadblocks. Head over to your volume settings and check the level of your microphone. Let's make sure it's audible and not set too low. A simple mishap in the settings can be the reason your voice isn't coming through. Now let's dive into your system settings. Click on Start, then navigate to Settings, go to System, and finally click on Sound. Here you should see an input section. This is where we'll specify which device you want to use as your primary microphone. Ensure your preferred microphone is selected as the default device. If you have multiple input devices, selecting the wrong one could lead to no sound being transmitted. Following that, you should adjust the volume to a suitable level using the slider provided. You want to make sure that your voice is neither too loud nor too soft. This step ensures that your sound input level is perfect and that others can hear you clearly. While adjusting settings, it's also crucial to verify your privacy settings. Navigate to Settings, click on Privacy, and then Microphone. Make sure that the switch titled Let Apps Access Your Microphone is toggled to On. This permission is vital for applications like Google Meet to access your microphone. Lastly, ensure that Google Meet specifically has permission to use your microphone in app permissions. Without this authorization, your attempts won't bear any fruit. Keep in mind a few other considerations as well. If you're using a headset, ensure it's properly connected and functioning. These devices often have their quirks, and a quick inspection can save you a lot of hassle. Sometimes technology requires a gentle nudge in the form of a computer restart. This simple action can resolve temporary glitches that might be affecting your microphone. Lastly, always keep your apps updated. Installing the latest version of Google Meet ensures that you have all the recent bug fixes and improvements, some of which might directly solve your microphone issue. And that's it. By following these steps, your microphone should be working smoothly in Google Meet, allowing you to communicate effectively without any technical hiccups. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you have seamless online meetings.